Akahi Tutors, a leading educational support center in Ile-Ife, is currently conducting preparatory tutorials for candidates aiming to excel in key entrance examinations for academic programs affiliated with Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, Ile-Ife. The ongoing section catered to students preparing for the OAU pre-degree, OAU Post-UTME, OAU School of Nursing, and OAU JUPEB entrance examinations. OAU pre-degree program. The tutorial equips students with the knowledge and strategies required to secure admission into OAU's prestigious pre-degree program, a pathway for candidates seeking undergraduate admission. OAU Post-UTME. Akahi Tutors provides targeted coaching to help candidates ace their competitive post-UTME screening, a critical step for securing provisional admission into OAU. OAU Schools of Nursing entrance exam. Aspiring nursing students receive specialized training to tackle the rigorous entrance exams for OAU-affiliated schools of nursing, focusing on core science subjects and aptitude tests. OAU JUPEB program. The tutorial also prepares students for the Joint University Preliminary Examination Board JUPEB exams, which guarantee direct entry admission into 200 level courses at Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, Ile-Ife, and other universities. Why choose Akahi Tutors? Akahi Tutors is reached with experienced tutors with proven success records. Akahi Tutors provide tailored study materials and past question practice. Akahi Tutors conduct regular mock exam simulating real test condition. Akahi Tutors has a conducive learning environment in Ile-Ife. Akahi Tutors encourage you to enroll today. The details for enrollment is as follows. Interested candidates are encouraged to register promptly to enhance their preparedness. For inquiries, contact Akahi Tutors at number 67 Ududuwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038644328. Secure your academic future with Akahi Tutors expert guidance and boost your chances of success in these critical examinations. Thank you.